let's do this again, okay? Your training has to render you very, very strong. Or we don't use the word strong, very hard. And then your moves must be very smooth. The two combined will make your opponent feel that he or she does not feel anything. It's not that you're soft. So the overall, the underlying quality has to be that you're strong, you are hard. Otherwise you cannot fight. That's in martial art. But in real life, otherwise you cannot be healthy. As a human, a healthy human is a strong human. You cannot say that right now, I'll change the age a little bit. I'm only 45 and I walk like this. I can't even stand like this. How can that be healthy? Healthy is when your bones are strong, your body is firm, and but you move smoothly. Move smoothly is like the best of the sports. You look at basketball, the top players, their body is extremely conditioned, very strong, very durable. But the motion is like their movements are very graceful, very nice, not rigid. But it does not mean they move like cotton balls. So we have to train. Now let's go back to the exercise this morning. Who wants to redo it, review it? Go. Here. Grab me again. Now with this added information. So first of all, squeeze me. Can you see? I'm not soft, right? Mm-hmm. I'm not trying to wiggle my way out like a weasel or like an eel. I'm not that, okay? Squeeze, I'm there. Now push, and you see I'm here. Mm-hmm. Now when it's my turn, this is bad. Mm-hmm. Or this is bad. Mm-hmm. But I'm here, I'm only rotating.
Yeah, I feel already.
It's the rotation. If I rotate smoothly, I don't deviate, the motion or the action I produce will appear to be very soft. It's more of, we should never use the word soft, more of a very smooth. Okay. Another person, let's just do it a few times. Okay. So squeeze me. I'm not soft, I'm here. And now we are here, push me. You see that's your strength, but I resolve that with a turn, with a true rotation. I'm not deflecting you, I'm not absorbing you. I just do what I do. My rotation does not catch anything. If it catches anything, you can feel my strength. You only feel the power, not the strength. So watch this action sideways a little bit more. Yeah, okay. So that's your power. On that power here, I split this with a rotation. Now, slowly, so you guys watch, he starts there. I'm not ready here. As you move, can you see it's already in that position? Now this time, as you move, it's already there. Try again. I reversed it. Okay? Now I'll show you what that means. First one, I allowed you to push into the elbow, and then I turned here. This time when you touched, slowly, when he does that there, I'm not coming this way. From here, I'm going that way. Can you hear? Now start again. Can you see it only goes that way? It doesn't come this way anymore.
Thank you.
Sure. Go. This is the normal one, and I have to do this and do that, right? This is normal. The second one, here, see when he starts, I already put it on his neck. The first one, he's coming at me. And then I go back from here. First one, can you see it's already there? Sure. Yeah, can you see it's on you?
Yeah.
It's on you, right? Never came here. Like a
Car's pushing you.
A car.
car.
Yeah, like I can't fight you.
Yeah.
Why would you? So then if you do the first one, when you do it bigger, like it comes in more, why would you let it come in?
I don't understand the question. Yeah.
So two different.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
two different. So in the first one, when you it comes in here more.
Yeah.
Why would you let that happen to you? If I could, if you
Well-
could touch you and it's boom and you have me all ready, then why this one and then?
Well, that
Okay,
would
I
never
understand.
happen
Yeah,
if you
okay.
touched them. But
Yeah.
he's
Right.
demonstrating.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's
okay.
exercise.
Yeah, okay. You are mixing two things. One is training, one is
Yeah.
fighting.
Right.
So in fighting, of course, I won't give you a chance. In training, it's not which direction. Again, this is based on your misunderstanding, everybody's, of what we are doing. The training has absolutely nothing to do with fighting. But when you train, you always think it's a fight. That's why you cannot improve. So training is, when I say you push me, you push me. So do not think, but that won't work. No, it works because the theory works. Whether in fighting you do that is irrelevant. I'm asking you to sharpen your knife. But at this stage, I will never talk about who we're going to cut up, right? Or maybe it's a piece of paper we want to cut up. Because when you say that, there are too many variations. Either you're cutting up your meat, or vegetables, or somebody, or just paper, or just shredding some stuff. There are too many variations. Only focus on how we are going to sharpen this knife. So going in and out two ways. One is come towards me and then grind it back. Another is as you touch, it goes back there. And these are two ways of training.